Level up your Korean with 10 essential K-pop nouns. Part 4. In this video, we'll explore 10 essential K-pop nouns, breaking down their pronunciations, meanings, and symbolic significance. Are you ready? Let's dive in.
Number 1.
미로, 미로, 미로,
Means maze or labyrinth. It often symbolizes life's challenges, emotional confusion, or the journey of self-discovery in K-pop lyrics. It reflects the feeling of being lost but striving for clarity.
Number 2.
시계, 시계, 시계,
Means clock or watch. It often symbolizes the passage of time, fleeting moments, or the urgency to make decisions in K-pop lyrics. It can also reflect nostalgia or the desire to pause and cherish meaningful times.
Number 3.
파도, 파도, 파도,
Means wave. It often represents emotions, challenges, or the flow of life in K-pop lyrics. It highlights resilience in facing ups and downs.
Number 4.
씨앗, 씨앗, 씨앗,
Means seed. It symbolizes beginnings, potential, and the hope for future growth. It's often used in lyrics to inspire perseverance and patience.
Number 5.
열매, 열매, 열매,
Means fruit or outcome. It symbolizes rewards, results, or achievements in K-pop lyrics. It reflects the idea that hard work and patience lead to success.
Number 6.
음악, 음악, 음악,
Means music. It represents emotions, freedom, and a universal language that connects people regardless of background. It's often used to express healing and unity in K-pop.
Number 7.
나무, 나무, 나무,
Means tree. It symbolizes growth, stability, and life itself. It can also represent roots, family, or a place of refuge in lyrics.
Number 8.
무지개, 무지개, 무지개,
Means rainbow. It often symbolizes hope, dreams, and diversity. It represents beauty after hardship, inspiring positivity and resilience.
Number 9.
평화, 평화, 평화,
Means peace. It symbolizes harmony, serenity, and love in K-pop. It's often used to reflect a longing for a world free of conflict and full of understanding.
Number 10.
영웅, 영웅, 영웅,
Means hero. It symbolizes bravery, hope, and inspiration in K-pop. It often represents someone who gives strength or serves as a role model. These 10 words are more than just vocabulary, they're keys to unlocking the poetic and emotional world of K-pop. Please hit that like button and subscribe. Keep learning, and let the lyrics guide your journey into Korean culture. See you in the next video.